Welcome back. Animal and wildlife lover AMRUT Singh and Chief of Goansh Raksha Abhiyan anti-cow slaughter activist HANUMANT PARAB were attacked by some unknown persons at CHORLA Ghat on Thursday late evening. AMRUT Singh has been admitted in GMC while HANUMANT PARAB has been discharged after medication. Police has arrested alleged assaulter IMRAN from SAKHALI. Activists have now called a protest meeting on Saturday at Ponda.
AMRUT Singh and HANUMANT PARAB along with the driver Vasco were assaulted by some unknown people at Zambul Junction at Keri in Satari. They were on their way back home from Margao after attending court matter in illegal cow trade. The activists feel that the attack is a plot.
आम्ही हांगासर गेल्ले बेळगांव कंप्लेंट फायल करपाक जे इल्लीगल हे चलता मांस आनी गोरवां जे हांगा ट्रान्सपोर्ट जाता आनी फेक सर्टिफिकेट वापरून सगळे जे कितें चल्लां तेजे हे करपाक कंप्लेंट आमी थंयसर दिवपाक गेल्ले. हनुमंतजी हांव आनी तेंचो एक ड्रायव्हर कसाई आहा तेंच्यांनी वाटेक आमचेर हल्लो केलो.
वाटेक खंय
जांबळे कडच्यान मातशें वयल्या वाटेन म्हणजे ऑलमोस्ट चोला घाटाकूच गोंयाच्या हद्दीनूच.
कितले जाण आसले?
5 जाण आसले. तेंच्यांनी मोठे दाणे बी आसले तेंचे कडेन आनी ते दाणे मारून तेंच्यांनी आरशे बिरशे फोडले आनी उबे दाणे घालून तिगांचेर हल्लो केलो.
कसले व्हेकल घेवन आसले ते?
इनोवा.
भाशा बी कितें उलय?
भाशा कोंकणी.
Goansh Raksha Abhiyan Chief HANUMANT PARAB says they had demanded a police protection as they were suspecting an attack, but police did not respond.
आमकां प्रोटेक्शन दिया म्हणून आमी मागलेले इन रायटींग सुद्दां गव्हर्मेंटाक दिला की आमकां अमृत सिंग म्हाका आमकां इन डेंजर आसा. आमी इन रायटींग लास्ट इयर आमी मेमोरंडम दिला गव्हर्मेंटाक पूण गव्हर्मेंटान सिरियसली घेवन आज म्हाजेर सेकंड अटेम्प्ट हो जाल्लो आसा.
AMRUT Singh and HANUMANT PARAB have been active whistleblowers against the illegal cow slaughter and wild animal poaching going on across the state. Their inputs have resulted in several raids by the police and forest officials on the illegal cow slaughterhouses and the wild animal poachers racket. Bharat Swabhiman has demanded arrest and stern action against the assaulters.
जे कोण हल्लो करता तांकां धोक्याची सूचना ही की चुकीच्या मार्गाचेर ते चल्लेले आसात. ज्या कितें कारणांक लागून हेंचेर हल्लो जाला आमी पुलिसांक शिटकावणी दिता की पुलिसांनी इमिजिएटली त्या हल्लेखोरांचेर कारवाई करपाक जाय.
Walpoi police are investigating the case. Police have arrested alleged assaulter IMRAN in connection with the case. He is the brother of former chairperson and councillor of SAKHALI, Riaz Khan. IMRAN has been remanded to 7 days police custody. The attack has raised concern among the anti-cow slaughter and anti-poaching activists, as the issue has taken a violent turn. Uday Parab for Prudent.
The Margao District and Sessions Court has rejected bail application of accused Abhijit Korgaonkar in Vasco double murder case. He is co-accused with Pratima Naik in the case which shocked the whole city. Police in its say before the court has stated that Abhijit Korgaonkar helped prime accused Pratima Naik to commit murder of her mother-in-law and sister-in-law. The Margao District and Sessions Court on Friday rejected bail application of accused Abhijit Korgaonkar in Vasco double murder case. Opposing Abhijit's bail plea, public prosecutor contended before the court that Abhijit Korgaonkar along with prime accused Pratima Naik killed 2 innocent ladies, Usha Naik and Neha Naik. Explaining about the role of Abhijit Korgaonkar, public prosecutor contended that he tried to destroy some important piece of evidences. Some evidences have already been destroyed.
The accused, Abhijit Korgaonkar, who is concerned in the Vasco police station CR under section 302, had filed an application for bail. However, the learned Principal District and Session Judge today rejected his bail application.
Prime accused Pratima Naik in her statement before the investigating officer confessed that she killed her mother-in-law Usha Naik and sister-in-law Neha Naik on 30th January at their residence in Vasco. Pratima also confessed that after committing murder, she gave gold ornaments, mobile phones of the victims and other valuables to her brother-in-law Abhijit Korgaonkar. Police India stated that investigation is still in primary stage and they may require custody of Abhijit Korgaonkar for further interrogation. Accepting the contentions of police, the court dismissed the bail plea of accused Abhijit Korgaonkar. Reporter Savidayas for Prudent. And now look at the other events in the state.
All Goa Catholic Education Institutions Day was celebrated on Friday. Educators play a pivotal role in molding and enriching minds of students. Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao passed this message during the function.
Educators exercise, therefore, a pivotal role in shaping the minds and the hearts of those who will one day take their rightful place in developing such a society.
Students' Council of Goa University organized an intercollegiate event, Youth Asia 2015. The event was organized at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium at Bambolim. GEC College were the winners of Youth Asia 2015.
मी बोलतोय पहिली मागे तू डायलॉग घे तुझे त्याचा पॉट आणि ह्याचा पॉट 9 महिन्याचा 7 महिन्याचा काय म्हणतले याका काय शिस्तच ना खाना पाणी राव रे मग सूर्य नमस्कार करूया तिने सूर्य नमस्कार सूर्य दिसता मग ते तुझ्या आवचीचो सूर्य तो परिषदेचा चंद्र मध्ये काय दिसते तुला घालून जातो तू चंद्र नमस्कार तू चंद्र नमस्कार.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.